This is my recently acquired Vortex ViBe keyboard. It's made by the same maker of the popular 60% poker keyboard, and it's basically the same thing but with a numpad. I got the cherry clear variant. I love the feel of the switch, but it's a little too heavy for my liking. So I decided to lubricate the switches, change the springs to 62 grams, and clip and Bandaid the stabilizers. So here's a before mod sound test. As you can hear, the keys are very scratchy, the stabilizers feel loose, and it just creates a lot of unwanted extra noise. I also felt the frame was a bit light and carried the sound a little too well, so here's myself adding some sound absorbing material. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video of myself lubing and changing the springs, but that's a tedious and boring process. So without further ado, here's the after modding sound test. Well, I think it sounds great. Of course, that's my opinion, so you may not agree with that, but for me, I really like it. So, it may be time for me to retire my DZ60 and switch to the ViBe. So if you guys like my first video, feel free to drop a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.